Hey there, so basically that's strategy, my strategy and Alex Gonzalez strategy. Let's talk about my strategy जो मैं रोबोट बनाने के लिए तड़फड़ कर रहा था बट वो क्या हुआ कि guess what? The strategy was I have just backtested it for like 2 days and वो भी training days थे. ये choppy range ना मैंने देखा था मेरे मार्केट में choppy range जो है ना उस पर मैंने बैक टेस्टिंग करने के देखा तो it doesn't work at all. It is washed. Now it is not the way I want to be get worked. Now guess what? We're just going to use Alex Gonzalez strategy, and now we are hitting Alex Gonzalez strategy is done. The highest probable setup, I'm going to use the highest probable setup. I will not use the low probable setup for sure. And the second thing, I'm going to do the lamboraul. This his course. I'm going to use the lamboraul strategy and Alex strategy, both highest probability setup, so that we can get less trade. I mean, we can get a high frequency trades, and we can take the high probability setup. I mean, I'm just going to take the Alex Gonzalez high probability setup and Lamborghini high probability setup. This two high probability setup match. That is what it is. I'm not going to create and restore things. बस हो गया अभी. Just focus on what. Just purchase the business model of what they are doing. Right. I'm downloading the Lamborghini course. So let's see, and I'm not going to stop trading until this Lamborghini course is done. No, of course not. I know what to do. I know the Alex Gonzalez strategy. It just like it is just the way is like you need to implement the things. That is what it is. So just now from Monday, from tomorrow, we're going to implement the Alex Gonzalez strategy. We'll focus on it. Yeah. Siding off then, and side by side we'll do the Lamborghini day trading course. Yeah, this is what the plan is. So in the next week we'll be finishing, at the end of the next week we'll be finishing the Lamborghini course, and उसके next week मतलब उसके next week में we can the ongoing strategy is like set and forget, and we can add up the Lamborghini strategy. This is what it is, and the two trades I've got in the whole month. I understand this that in a December it was no market was not moving. It was super sideways. That's why we got very super low, trades. So this is what it is. Let's just wait for this strategy, this course to get download. Side by side, I will just recap. What we'll do. We'll do the Alex Gonzalez course again, just to recap the things. Should we do it? I have downloaded it. It's just like we don't want to do all the course, all the lectures. We just need to do only one lecture, that is 1 hour of lecture. Do we need? I don't think so. We need that. Let's see, I will think on this. Hey there, so it's 15:08 right now. As we can see, we have shifted this table outside. Beautiful, doing this Lamboraul lecture. Yeah, signing off. Hey there, so my dad suggests me that now you have arrived home. You haven't done dinner, lunch as well. Please go out and eat something. And I was like, no, I really don't have time. And he was like, no, you have to. I mean, you have to. You haven't ate anything. I also ate by by going out. You too also. So yeah, I'm on it. I've ordered one dabeli. That's all. We don't need to eat a lot. Not heavy, but just like a snacks kind of thing. Yeah, this is what it is. After going home, we have to also analyze the chart. Are we going to analyze today? Not really, because as per the timings, we are going to start trading on London and New York session, no more than that. So 12:30 London session opens. So at 10:30 to 12:30 we have plenty of time to analyze. I'm also going to go live while I'm going to analyze. Right now I don't think so, because see, like, I don't think so, because now I'm at a home. All are there, so we can't go live and we can't have a analysis. So yeah, this is how it goes. Signing off. There are two menu cards here, and I was like, oh, there is only one menu card now here. So some sada dosa is also available. I just wanted to eat tabeli. That's all. That's all. Anything plus, I probably guess so. As per the analysis, I'm going to purchase buy Euro USD because it has retraced to the um, weekly previous structure area. So it is very chances, but the daily is bearish. So it's bit tricky. So need to analyze again clearly. So we'll analyze by tomorrow. So most probably at 10:30 we are going to go live on YouTube for analysis. Stay tuned for that. By from what we're going to do, we're going to do the lecture of that lamboraul. We'll learn the information rather than just sitting and doing nothing. So yeah, this is how it goes. Signing off. The order comes. Looks so beautiful. That's it. I have ate it, man. It was good. I mean, it was good. Now I have took cheese dabeli parcel, mom and dad. Like two different. So yeah, this is it. Again, I'm still thinking about risk reward. I've this the take profit partial take profit thing which I come up with the idea. It is beautiful. What if we use that partial take profit into our set and forget strategy? That is going to change the whole profit curve because almost 99% trades goes 1:1, then 1:2, and then hit to stop loss. This is how it is happening. Signing off. It's